Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This beautiful 8-bedroom, 9-bathroom house is located in the cool hills of Mount Dawson, Sligoville, St. Catherine. This property provides a panoramic view of downtown Kingston, areas of Spanish Town, hills, and the Caribbean Sea. Resting on 3.17 acres or 138,085 square feet of land, there are a wide variety of fruit trees, and the property provides opportunities for development. This property also features a bar, stage, and terrace area for entertaining your guests. Don't miss out on this opportunity because all reasonable offers will be considered and the owner is motivated to sell. Other features of this house includes ceramic tile, garden area, ceiling fans, kitchen built-ins, jetted tubs, main level entry, fully fenced, easy access, family oriented, quiet area, landscaped, paved road, level lot, and pets allowed. The current price of this house is US 1 million or Jamaican $157.7 million. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.